Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I'm here with another beautiful hair, and this is from Doalgo hair. As you can see, it says Doalgo hair. This is the packaging. It looks so beautiful. I love it. So guys, let's just move straight into this hair details. First of all, it says the leading hair retailer in the world. Yes guys, so you can like click in the description box down below. More details you need to be right there about this company. And guys, this is actually a headband wig. As you can see, it came with these accessories like free headband wigs. You can actually, be restyling or be changing it. And first of all, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually rock your headband wig very easy, and you can actually switch it. This is a big headband. I love this so much. And also something like this. So we're going to do the switch, like how I'm going to show you guys how you can actually install your headband with. First thing I love this headband with is that it's super affordable. There's no time, like you don't need to waste your time installing this. No need to want to cut out your lace. You want to do that, you want to do this. This is a coily 4/26 color 426, something like that. And this is actually like a blonde coily hair with a dark root. Just imagine a coily hair blonde with a headband. Like, it's amazing, right? So guys, this is how this headband is looking like. It's actually the recent kind of hairstyles trending now. So if you don't have such hair, you can actually just click in the description box down below. You will see direct link of this hair and to their store link. So guys, this is how this hair came in. Like, I'm loving this hair because this is actually a different kind of vibe. And all you need to do, you don't need to cut out your lace, you don't need to melt, you don't need to do anything. All you need to do, you just tap this, and that's it. And when you want to take it off, you take it off. And in this place right here, you're just going to use your different hairband to keep replacing it to however outfit you feel it's comfortable for you. So you're going to see how I'm going to install this and switch it to other headbands. So guys, stay tuned. And sorry guys, this is how the interior is looking like. The interior is just very perfect, very simple. There's no need to do anything, just so cute and very simple. So let's see how
Pick nicely on the beat. Pick nicely on the beat.
side of this hair installing, guys. As you can see, I didn't have to cut my lace, I didn't have to do anything, because this is strictly an headband wig. Like, all you need to do is just, you know, if it's a curly hair, you just put your mousse or your water to give you that coils, you know. And if it's your straight hair, you just need to straighten it a bit, or if you want, you can actually go ahead and rock it that way. So guys, as you can see, I showed you how you can actually install this hair, change it, like switching over to different kind of bands that it actually came with, and they are all super cute. I love all bands, I love this, I love everything, and it's super cute. They all fit this hair. This is actually a curly, like a curly headband wig in blonde with dark roots. So guys, they have different type. They have in curly, they have in straight, they have in body wave, just name it. They have different kind of headband wig. All you need to do is just click in the description box down below. All the things you need will be right there to this hair company, Doalgo Hair. They also have new, like, a lace frontal, a lace closure wig, just name it, they have it. Everything is super affordable, guys. So guys, if you love this video and you want to see more from me, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.